This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to cancel your Claude plan. So you are logged into your Anthropic Claude account, but you want to actually cancel your account. So here we are. This is just a main blank screen with an empty message right there. So you're going to come down to the very bottom left, you'll see either a picture of you or an initial. In my case, it's an M. We click on that picture right there. And right to the top, we have settings. So we're going to click on settings. Then about halfway down in this pop-up, we are going to click on billing right here. You'll see at the top what plan you are. I have the Pro plan. As you can see here, you can see your credit card payment details right there. We have invoices. And if you scroll to the bottom, you can see the cancellation right here. So cancellation, cancel plan. We will click on cancel. And now it says here, cancel plan, cancel to stop recurring billing. You can still use Claude Pro until June 30th, 2026, which is when the next billing cycle will occur for me. So it's also trying to, as they always do with these kind of things, it's trying to get us to stick around. So it's saying, have you given these a try? There's Claude Code and there's co-work. So we could choose just to keep our Pro plan. So you can click there. But we do want to cancel, so we click on this cancel button right here. So this red cancel button, cancel plan. And just like that, it will go through the process. So the plan will have been cancelled now. You can choose to optionally to tell them why you are leaving. I'm just going to say I'm taking a temporary break, and I'm going to click submit. And there you go. You see that at the top, it will now say, your subscription will be cancelled on, and in my case, it's June 30th, 2026. You can resubscribe from there. Hopefully you found this very simple, straightforward, no fluff video on how to cancel your Claude account useful. If you found this video helpful, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.